Hello guys and welcome back to Xdraming. Today we are going to see about filter. In the last video I already told you about the map class in Python, and filter is a similar class, and you just want to put something different in filter as compared to map. Without any delay, let's jump to the filter and see what else we can do with it. It is a really handy feature. And here we are at our VS Code. And first of all, let's try it, like our script is working or not. Run it, print hello world. Definitely yes, it is working. Okay, so now filter, right? Filter class. First of all, we need to see, is it a class or it's a function, right? So it's definitely a class, right? Now we know that filter is a class, so we can make objects of that class. Now make some objects like obj is equal to filter. Filter of what filter will take. Okay, the arguments are similar to map. The number first is function and number second is your list. For that we need to make a list, and make a list is equal to I for I in range, let's say 11. So it is a list of 0 to 10, right? Now object of filter, so we are going to make a lambda function right here. So lambda x, and this parameter will, if x is equal to 0, x modulus 2 is equal to 0, double is equal to 0. So if this parameter will confirm this situation, like this will return true, then only then our object will going to return that parameter. For example, for 3, let's say for 3, 3 divided by modulus of 2 is not equal to 0, then it is going to give us a false value, which means this object, this filter class is not going to return 3 value, right? So let's say print obj of list, right? So to see the arguments, to see the returned value of that object, we need to put it inside a tuple, inside a list, or inside whatever you want. So let's print it. Now we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which means these values, these parameters gave us true values when we put them inside this lambda function. Let's say make a function def even and x, right? And return x of modulus 2 is equal to 0, right? And print to show you clearly, I'm going to print it even of let's say 3, right? Now so it gave us a false value, but let's say if I do it for 2, true. You guys can also use this function which you have defined by using def and even, right? Even of list. Let's run it, and it is going to give you the same result because the function is doing the same thing. The only different thing is defining, right? That one is a lambda anonymous function, and this is a def function, which is a proper function. And that's it for filter. And in the next video we are going to see something new about the reduce. I'm not sure, something new, I mean something standard of regular, right? So meet you guys in the next video. Until then, bye. And yeah, I'm going to do face cam videos. I ordered a camera, a tripod, and a mic, so be ready for it. And that videos are going to be our AI standard videos of Unity and all. So meet you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.